Come out my mouth. Fi fucking what up, me ever prove.
So
You leave people, make them talk and go on, brother. You know, run on that, you leave that alone. You come back like that's why you stress out in America. You fucking idiot.
Is it the company like me can see stress in your face though?
Oh, me ever stress, man. You see me broke. Bumbo clot, yo. Me ever stress until me make my millions them charge me, I go ever look stress. And mash up and fuck up. So you can tell it. You just make sure so you stay happy.
Who, me?
Fucking idiot. You see woman and move out of her life and I come chat at the mouth. Lord, the woman may she go live her life now.
Tell us about America here.
You can't tell me nothing about America pussy hole. You just come to America. You can't tell me nothing about America.
I'm true.
And that's why I don't want to go up there, fucking idiot. Every day I tell you, say, King, America know what you think. America is a wolf in a sheep, bumbo clock club, but no. Fucking idiot. I know you see face, but you don't got Canada pussy hole, like that England. Fuck like carpenter. You're carpenter, not you.
No, me do two of them. I make some carpenter. Two of them.
No, you used to do that. That's something the way you do. You see that thing the way you do with the refurbishing a house and them something they charge you. You know how much bumbo climb money you can make over America with that there?
Yeah,
I should have made the talent there, so I should have something.
Well, I know the whole I like never come up, brother. Cause I remember saying, bro, everything I come up in the hand, brother. Now worry yourself, bro. You're supposed to be your friend, man. Yo, watch out, man.
More up, man. All this shall be in the past, you know, bro.
Jillany, let me say, you're supposed to be your friend, bro.
Yeah, man. More up. I don't want to see you till the blood clot up. You left Jamaica to better yourself. You better better yourself before you come here. But I come here, fuck up.
No, I'm not talking about come here.
Oh, me want to see you better. Me want to see you better. So you left for the better, you go on for the better, me dog.
Someone want to see you better too, but when I analyze Jillany, me can see wrinkles them on your jaw. You like marble.
You can't see no wrinkles on my face, pussy.
It when you get last night. It like you take one day marble down to blood clavos.
Eh?
One cookies that you get last night. Like you take one day marble down. All the neck, look up your neck color.
You say can't catch water.
Yeah, imagine. You can just imagine how
imagine this now.
You can just imagine how
you not see nothing. You not see nothing now, you mad out. It just imagine if you use the same thing. Bumbo clot.
No, me never did mad out. I'm mad.
TikTok couldn't hold you.
I'm mad. Me did mad out.
TikTok, I'm mad at mad pussy.
No, I mean,
boy, you have to let it out. You have to keep one piece of asylum for much days. I 1 week straight, me see you keep asylum for you, brother.
Me?
1 week straight when you final, when you realize you want to live up and go.
Achievement for you go on until now you can't done.
He can't. My point exactly, because guess what? A nigga hold him head straight and I keep it going. That's the difference with me and you. You are follow. Stop follow up the man. Pussy hole. Make you man go about our business.
And I mean people in my life follow up here, I mean. Yeah.
Boy, the mother things me about me on TikTok, your brother me.
People, God know people. We obviously have some fun in the chat. And we can enjoy ourselves on the live. I'm gonna did have some on the top of I can block off some on the bumbo clot right now. Telling you that because the phone up on you and like me. I'm in a real blood clot came and just telling them my mind and done. Oh, no, we listen to on the
In the silence, I'm solid in these streets, madam. I'm solid.
Yo, so may I ask you a question now, Jillany? So I tell us, so right now, the call and say you come give my link in the night. I know you're gone, you know.
You know, if they link me right now, I lift up like blood clot jet plane. I can real fighter jet. Oh, guess how?
Oh, Sashay.
Yo, clot, yo, my dog, you know, you like you can't read my mind to pussy clot. Like, you know what time it is. Is that the word catch there? Brother, I take a fighter jet for that? No. Lift up come for that, man. That if you worry about.
If you worry about that.
Yeah, man, that if you worry about. Nah, like the white man just come kick you.
You think I might back here? You think I might back here to pay me?
What that task?
You say, think I might back here to pay me?
Jesus Christ.
That's true. Angela and the big woman thing in bro. Me never know saying bro. Bro, to honest bro, me just hear what going on. To be honest bro, me just feel free but
Tell me if you fuck up, man.
me just feel free but not free because my kids them.
I don't feel you want to say a bumbo clad. You feel fuck up. I know,
No, bro,
free, no English. And the people that say free, them say free.
Bro, God no bro, me don't feel fuck up bro. Big man thing,
Fuck up, man. You a pussy. You
no,
feel
bro,
fuck up.
big man thing, bro, watching that, bro.
You can't feel free. Pussy hole, you can't tell nobody that.
Bro, big,
It's when a person free from something, my dog, them no do what you do.
bro. But
Them
what me do
no
now? Bro, like can I, bro? That
is alright, watch this. Watch this. You know from what Kill Philip say, ask they don't go for town or go down hill, see? Leave it, make it go on, brother. If you realize say you're watching a mama silent, remember say she do social media too, you know. So she could have come out for me to come talk her business, you know. She did not. Get me I come from, she kindly move and go about her business. Brother, you could have do the same thing too. Not because you feel like say she a company come talk first.
Eh?
Wait, you feel like say she da come talk first.
Boy.
And I saw you go, bro. No. And I saw you go. When you realize you want to move up, brother, you shouldn't have nothing to say. You just come over here, see me, come Tom Cruise, and live your life like nothing never go on.
Okay. Then no. Alright, hold on. Wait. Then no, Jillany now. So when we come Tom Cruise now, Jillany now. And my life, remember, so Jillany, I'm a hard working one, you know, Jillany. Remember, you know. So when me come Tom Cruise now, like nothing no go on, I mean, my people them know some boy, you know, so me get left a road. And then when we find a woman and talk live my best life, and talk buy a house. I'm married.
That's when they explain things. If things need explanation.
What on Jillany? And when time something happened to them, in a few store them there and them, and then no, me not pay no bumbo clap, man. I mean, I'll get the bashing.
Bro, you cannot get no bashing. You cannot get everything up my fair reason, my dog. Exactly. You can't get, just like, to me there, I saw Tom Cruise and I stay silent and me I get bashed. That means I saw it go. No, dog. No, I don't saw it go. You should allow that bumbo clad. You don't say nothing. You should say nothing.
7 brothers, 7 different mind.
Well, that I choose still. That I fucking choose.
Because look at Jillany now. Is it true, brother? Me can't take pressure, brother, because I'm afraid of pressure, brother. Because here what
on. No, man, I need me. I feel if I apply pressure, brother. And man, not to take pressure, I feel if I apply.
Yo.
You get me, I come from.
Yo, bro.
My girl, hey, the mother come over and come ask me what in the life, man. Because me know 90% of the way I talk and I say go. So need mother come and say, yeah? Nobody have my file. Whoever they have my file, after all you go on to blood clot, that the file got done report and check out and go about the business down time. So I just say go. Keep your recordings, keep your receipt.
Chat one more rose, chat. Chat one more rose for somebody else. Jillany.
Yo.
Me like have them talk now, brother. I be if papa come so we can't get that.
No, yeah. Me I go always sound stupid too, no man.
No, me like
me not come out as a contact, nothing. So you just go and read your one story.
Brother,
no, you start to fuck with charge, yeah.
Alright, here what one. Here what one, me I done till me. You listen to me, not soldier. I don't chat. Me I don't chat till one, 2, 10 person left on the live. I don't them chat.
You need to go work about Sashay. I don't know pussy. That you need to work about.
Work out how?
That you need to work about.
Work out how?
Eh?
When I say work out how?
No, you know about that, man. That a fear business, sir. That a fear business. Me know say me no see you, so nobody come and say come talk them sitting there. Because me know say me no see you. Nobody read that. You just try to paint a picture, and I still never have nothing to say to you. So just go and paint a picture. Any bad image you want to put out the palm me, that is your business. That not nothing for me.
How over there coming?
You get me, I say? That not nothing for me. So you just go and paint a picture and go and enjoy yourself. Me go back, me good.
So how over there coming, Jillany?
You see me? Sashay. Sashay to blood clad. Me not no good image to put out, so I saw you will class slap me, you go pick up one workless boy. I'm you have sense, my friend, man. Come on, man. You can't, I mean, so no. That's what I'm telling a life, you know, the same month, they say, yes, I see a month, you know.
See how much I know.
Yeah, man. People can talk and say them officer, man.
But Jillany, so I just a while ago, me as a TikTok, you can voice note on TikTok when I text somebody.
You know, TikTok I go on itself, brother, and say everything upgrade now.
Yeah, you know, so I want press this. I'm here, so but wait.
Me ungrateful, you know, me never ungrateful yet. So you never come follow no media, no come tell me say me ungrateful. My girl, come on, just go and go drink your water and go easy, no mama. Easy, no man. I think me can read, me I see your comments, you know. I don't want to be disrespectful and mute you, time I chat like them go sit there. Just time cruise, man. Just go and sit back, relax and listen to the conversation. And easy. Because I'm not entertain when you look for. You been a look for one answer, one mouth, and I go get it. Just easy. You see me? Remember saying whenever you get betrayed, remember just calm, see and just enjoy yourself. So remember say full of your plate with you. No, my head can't hurt me. I'm telling a life, I will last laugh this, you know. I'm not just kitty alone. I forgot about your auntie, your sister, them. And your cousin, them too. I'm not just kitty alone. Come on, man. No matter with that. Leave them things there alone. No. That is distasteful. You big and careless to fit you, know. You just get up and read one bag of fuck upon me. Lord have mercy. I know when you got that. Too massa. Yeah, go and pay back all away this upon me. Yeah, I'm just business place alone. Stop them something, man. Stop them something. Stop them something. You know me entertaining stupidness, so leave it alone. Leave it alone, please. Leave it alone.
One more chat. Appreciate the rose. Thank you. Chat one more.
But you get give no me dog. Bumbo clot then sorry for you.
Bro, me have 200 somebody over here can get 2 blood clot rose. 200.
Me always guilty, man.
No lock off my mouth and I chat.
I say not lock off the mouth.
I mean, man, they can always keep hot life to blood clot hotline and I can't get 2 rose. They must say, man,
you know, keep no hot life no there, some man. You put soul. What we hot life there?
I must say, man, over here can keep. And you see over here full of blood clot people. Make I just be there over here sit down and play a game and see. If we see nobody.
Hot life no there, sir. You're life alone hot over here, sir. Boy, your blood clot cash out for me. Take your bone like a G, put soul and lift up and hold up here. You put soul up.
No, I chat my business. I chat my business and I can't get through.
Whether you don't chat your bumbo clap business, you don't put out the whole business from Timbuktu.
I hear what one. How we talk about the go-go club now we usually go? Come.
What about the go-go club then?
Look at them, it's sweet.
Which one them miss? Which one them miss? No, come which one them miss, boss?
If the Roman compare the box them, oh God, boy.
Which other them miss, man, a bumbo clad. Another them miss, man. Another them miss. Tap them fuck with them, man. You cannot talk about go-go club and I talk about box. That not add up, that not mix.
Yeah, man, I miss it. No, man, I tell you, brother.
I know upstairs, man. I sit down a hole too. What you say, my boy?
Hey. You know, give me my blood club, boy, you lose the 40. You're dead, brother. Give me my 40 cheap out, brother.
You know what?
Brother, when we put the 5,000 on the box, brother, the man beat the 5,000.
Bumbo club, me boy, you talk about no box and no bumbo club, you don't junker. Because you see you as a man, you lie, you wicked when it comes down to that box thing there. I remember one day, man, this post will go up on the road, you know, man, the dog alive all day, you know. And King come, man, the dog come on the road the same exact time. This pussy will put 5 grand on the box and clap, boy. I think about 40,000 the pussy will clap. King say, oh, King said that. After a morning, you take a gamble on the box, you know. After a morning, me alone. That's this pussy will think I come big on him. You give me one piece of stone and I let the bumbo clap me and I say, pour this dog. This man just for stinking mother scun. Can I got blood clot? Boy, I'm a dog. Boy, look, you? I know, what?
Yeah, thank you so much.
No, I'm not give you no joke. I never did for you. You want to hear some of dog, they're club of fuck pussy. And that you want to hear so you can spin out and let me that you want to hear. You want to hear some of dog, they're a fuck out the pussy, them and you go, them and rare. Yeah. King Daryl that fuck them bitch, man.
Yeah, that them one, man.
In between.
So a while ago when they attack and when they realize that and I hit the attack, them mix.
The slim little kind of in between, my dog. That's how it go.
Yeah, man, that them want you Jillany about the big body girl, man. I know Jillany, them feel like they go say, yo, King cock up and get a go-go club. That them don't have a scream record.
So what I tell you, no friend, you want to know me upon this, I follow up, no, I'm a fuck. You know, everybody come and talk and clout and enjoy themselves, master.
Jillany,
So,
you know.
So no go up and the rest for them, my dog.
No, I'm not interested in no club, no. I'm not time for that.
Are we interested in that?
So work and money and house and car and can't think about no club, no.
Yeah. I hear you. You?
Jillany, look here.
Anyway, club there, find it.
You know what is the truth?
No, I don't know the fuck that.
I said, oh, they can't hear me.
Don't know what the fuck that is. My girl, I don't see you. Hey, Jesus Christ. Me tell you now. Tell the people them say what them see on the media and them see in a real life a total opposite. So no bother with that. No bother with that, please. And then me born me nice for ganja and me.
Chat, this chat when you're panging like eat if you eat or juice if you juice.
Me don't want no views, you know. And that I think no look girl, me don't want no views and I'm meet you.
Yeah, this chat when you're panging like in America, you chat.
Eat if you eat or views can't help me.
Yeah, put it down in the comedy and you don't know if I juice if you juice.
You do what? So you come like a dung a bumbo clad in a country party, you go and some soldier.
Yes, Jillany.
Like you go to North Carolina.
Now what's happening there in Carolina? When are they in Carolina?
That couldn't hold the pressure, man. My dad definitely come lay it out.
Alright.
You fuck your heart soon, boss.
Boba.
You know, see nothing on your chat off your mouth. Imagine India be a big up an ice cream set there. Yeah, some blood clot, boss. Imagine. Suppose me come over here come do what you do.
I don't know if you look at it. Chat. I beg everybody to tap up the screen for me, please. Chat.